Abagibeli nabashayeli bakhala ngamahora amade abawalindayo ukuwela emngceleni wase Lebombo ngesikhathi kusacutshungulwa amaphepha, izitifiketi nemininingwane edingekayo. Abanye bathi baphoqeka ukuthi balale ezimotweni ngesikhathi besalinde ukuwela kulomngcele.
I can't be okay. We've been here since yesterday. We've been sleeping over there, yes, since yesterday. So how can we be okay? Because we are struggling. You see, that traffic, it's even worse now.
I thought we were going to miss it because we came through the border yesterday. It took quite quick, but there was a queue. And now we thought we'd just get on the road going back to Johannesburg.
I-Border Management Authority ithi sifake ezinye izikhungo njengoba unyuka umthamo wezimoto, amabhasi namaloli aphumayo nangenayo emngceleni Lebombo ngenhloso yokunciphisa isikhathi esilindwayo kulomngcele.
To do based on yesterday's pressure, as I said earlier, we had to put in 13 workstations to make sure that they fully, become functional, so that we're able to process all of the people. But I think if you look at the queue that used to be on that other side, you will see that the queue has actually started moving.
Kusetshenziswa nobuchwepheshe besimanje ukubhekana nobugebengu nabangena kuleli ngokungemthetho.
We cannot do this work alone as Border Management Authority. We have partners such as the Provincial Traffic Department as well as the Local Traffic Department. We are also assisted by the SAPS. Yesterday you might have seen the chopper that they were using in terms of directing the traffic, and then also try to get some of those who are using illegal ways to cross to the Mozambique.
Iziphathimandla ze-BMA zithi bangaphezulu kwekhulu abantu asebeboshiwe ebebezama ukuwela umngcele ngokungemthetho selokhu kuqala amaholide asehlobo.